We have here a 1993 Ford Bronco 4x4. This vehicle is a very clean vehicle all the way around. Has brand new wheels, brand new bumpers, and brand new tires on it. You'll see the paint is all original and very clean. It's not a perfect paint job, but it's definitely a good show paint job. Headlights are nice and clear and not foggy. Got a new set of mirrors on this vehicle. And a recently updated leather interior all the way through. With a beautiful headliner, as you can see. Door panels are nice. Interior is real nice in this vehicle. Got a good full-size spare back tire with matching wheel. Again, I'd mentioned we added new bumpers to this vehicle. All the chrome on it still nice and shiny. So they can really enjoy it. I'm gonna fire it up real quick. The air conditioning in this vehicle blows ice cold. All the gauges and everything work on it like they're supposed to. Hi, this is Shane here from Skyway Classic Cars with Al. We're doing a drive around on a 1993 Ford Bronco.
Yeah, this is the old O.J. Simpson color interior and all. Same year and all, 1993. Isn't that funny? But look at this car. The guy that owns this car had us do an extensive amount of work. The seats in this car are all brand new 3 or 4 months ago. Door trim panels, power door lock actuators, power window motors, rear back tailgate, brand new bumpers. I mean, he spent like $12,000 redoing this car, and that's it. So I just wanted to get it on the road, show how nice it shifts, all the gauges work. We did fix the rear main oil leak that it had a little bit, so the car is nice and dry, which the pictures will show you that you took after we're done with this, and then we'll get it up in the way so they can see how nice it is. Just wanted to get it down the road, having it shift into its 4-speed overdrive transmission. Feel that air conditioning. 98 degrees outside today, I gotta tell you. What a
Ice cold.
Yeah, ice cold. Got it right here. So what we're gonna do is take another little spin back to the side street, let it shift out again. And then you can get some pictures underneath, okay?
Got it.
Pretty darn nice though, eh?
It rides real smooth, shifts real smooth.
And we're talking brand new tires, shocks.
Feels real good.
Everything's good. All right, let's take her back on the hoist and let you take a quick little look at it.